Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what could easily be called the best tree pruning pole saw on the market. The HOSKO 14FT pole saw for tree trimming. If you're someone who enjoys gardening, maintaining your yard, or just needs an efficient way to prune those hard-to-reach branches, this tool might be exactly what you need. The HOSKO pole saw extends up to 14 feet, which means you can reach higher than a traditional ladder, making it safer and more convenient to trim tall branches. One of the standout features of this saw is its versatility. You can easily detach sections to shorten it to a manageable 7.5 feet, allowing you to use it as a handheld pruning saw for lower branches. This adjustable length system makes it practical for various tasks around your garden or yard without needing multiple tools. Built with stainless steel poles, this saw is resistant to rust, giving it a long-lasting durability no matter the weather conditions. The blade itself is made from razor-sharp stainless steel with a unique three-sided edge and double-sided barb design. This setup enables a smooth, bi-directional cutting action, allowing you to trim branches efficiently with less effort. Whether you're dealing with oak, pine, palm fronds, or fir trees, this saw is designed to handle different types of tree branches with precision. Another thing worth noting is the lightweight aluminum handle. It offers a comfortable grip and keeps the overall weight low at just around 4.6 pounds, which helps reduce fatigue during extended use. Despite its lightweight nature, the build is sturdy, and it feels reliable while you work. When it comes to storage and transport, the pole's detachable sections make it compact and easy to store in your garage or garden shed. No more struggling with bulky tools that take up space. This feature also makes it easy to carry around, whether you're moving from one part of your garden to another or taking it on a trip to your vacation home. This pole saw is manual, so you won't need to worry about batteries or electricity. It's a simple, no-frills tool that relies on your own power, making it environmentally friendly and great for people who prefer straightforward, mechanical tools. Overall, the HOSKO 14FT pole saw offers a smart combination of reach, cutting power, and ease of use. It's ideal for homeowners, gardeners, and anyone who needs to keep trees and shrubs well trimmed without investing in expensive motorized equipment. The adjustable length, durable materials, and sharp blade design make it a practical and efficient choice for maintaining your outdoor space. If you want a reliable manual pole saw that can handle a variety of pruning tasks while giving you the safety and flexibility to reach high branches, the HOSKO 14FT pole saw is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.